Hello everyone. As we had seen configuration of inquiry type, let us see important parameters of quotation type. Okay, so let me go to IMG and let me try to enter uh, logistics, sales and distribution, and there I will go to sales. Sorry, I'll go to the sales, and as we discussed, even quotation is also sales document. So define sales document type, and now I'll go for sales document type QT, that is quotation. Okay, here if you look at, and you need to refer our earlier lecture on IN, that is inquiry, also to understand this better. So this is a standard type, so standard document type for quotation, that is QT. And if you want to create your own, yes, you can just do it without disturbing the standard quotation type. You can create ZQT, okay? Or maybe you can change in this all also, but if you create the new one, that is the ideal situation. See, in the earlier lecture in inquiry configuration, the sales document category was different, correct? So that was A. So here it is B. Okay. So the category is different. That is the basic top level distinction. And now here the sales document block. If you want to block this, you can just block it with the if there is a blank, it is no block. If it is A, it is only automatic creation allowed, and for X it is sales document type is blocked. You can just control this particular thing. So the number range internal assessment is 0 5. Okay, and this we have explained last time. The whatever the number range defined against the 0 5 will be taken into consideration for naming quotations. When you create a quotation, that is internally number range will be defined. Okay, and let me first show you this number range uh, uh, in our folder. So let me select number range, okay. So let me try to go get into number ranges defined for sales document. Okay, okay, let me go down till I reach for the number range defined for sales, number range of sales document. I will just yeah, create the open this, see, define number range for sales document. I'll just click this. See the intervals. These are the different intervals. There it is given as 0 5, right? What is this 0 5? This number is given in the sales document type. If I give 5, then all your document, all your quotations will be starting from 2 0 0 0 0 0 to this. This is the number range which is defined. The current number range is this, and it is internally assigned. Okay, so if we had if you remember, we had given 0 3 for our inquiry. So at that is the reason we got 1006 when we created inquiry last time, in our earlier hands-on. This is our last inquiry number. Currently it is 1000, not 1006, 1 and 6 zeros and 6. Okay, so this number we normally define um, in the order types. Okay, so let me go back to the, okay. So this you're clear. This is clear. This is for external assignment. You need to assign with starting from 90, and here the item number increment, it is 10. So in this case, it will keep on incrementing starting from 10, 20, 30, 40. If you have 5 items, it will be 10 to 50. Okay, and rest of the parameters are almost similar to what we had seen in our inquiry customization. The reference is mandatory. Then if your preference is mandatory, then you need to create this order only with reference to earlier document. Then check division. Yeah, the division is the earlier whatever the division we use in the item level, that is uh, uh, that is in line with whatever we have given in the header level. That's what this says. And if there are any issues, it can ignore, it can give a dialog, it can give error also. See the item division can differ or can be same as header division, so this can be controlled here. And the read info record, this you have seen in our earlier class, where we will maintain a info record with the customer number and our number, stock keeping unit number, right? The SAP numbers that will be that will be reference the info, the number what customer refers and what is our reference will be mapped, so that in every sales order that will reflect. Okay, so that is required or not, whether it's to be read or not, all these things. So then we have then check customer reference. Yeah, customer reference has to be entered or not. Then enter purchase order number, whether it is required or not. Check customer reference means whether you should check the existing number in the table, and the uniqueness of the value to be maintained. Okay, so all these things. So most of the things we have discussed, okay, in our earlier lecture about inquiry. So these also screen sequences. No, CAG is a screen sequence where it is predefined, pre-configured. So we can, if you define AG, then when you use a quotation type QT, that will give the same the screen sequences. Okay, let's create quotation by using quotation type QT. Okay, thank you.